somebody like me, and you wish you had more than just a lifetime to give back all I've given you, and that's what you believe that I owe you. The sunlight in the morning and the nights of all this loving that time can't take away, and I owe you more than life now, more than ever. I know that it's the sweetest debt I ever have to pay. I'm amazed when you say it's me you live for. You know that when I'm holding you, you're right where you belong. And my love, I can't help but smile when you tell me all I've done for you, 'cause I know all that I owe you. Sunlight in the morning and the nights of all this loving time can't take away, and I owe you more than life now, more than ever. I know that it's the sweetest debt I ever have to pay, 'cause I owe you. The sunlight in the morning and the nights of all this loving time can't take away. I owe you more than life now, more than ever. Know that it's the sweetest debt I ever have to pay.
정말로 아름답습니다. 다시 한번 큰 박수 보내주세요. 네. 우와. 오해하지 마. 이분은 음악이 슬퍼서 우는 거예요. 선생님 다음에는 좀 신나는 걸로 좀, 예, 다음에 꼭 부탁드리겠습니다. 걱정하지 마세요. 이분 이제 다음에 나오면 좀 날아다닙니다. 이제 좋습니다. 자, 우리 인사하고 갑시다. 팬박수. 자, 인사 감사합니다.